Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kunzi get nowhere with identical his enemy. After Nyao tell that pudding is the troop of the criminals that does not want to be known who is. While Nonka keep her promise to Madongwe in an unexpected way. Nonka get states that she will rent and tell her family that after 3 months she will tell her agents to get that stays. And it seems like Lily and Matongwe and Jeza are happy to hear the good news of getting a new home. While the Makwazas live to see another day, they got the money of pudding and they seems like they are happy and they are leaving the debt of pudding. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.